Good morning, good morning, good morning. If you watched my previous video and you saw me in this top, then you know that I just finished doing a facial mask with Manuka hair honey. And that video will be up in the cards if you did not watch the video before this one. Today I'm going to just take my hair down, and I want you to see that there's a couple of things going on. I was doing a braid out, but before I was doing a braid out, I was playing around with some pipe cleaners. And so I'm just going to take this one out to see what it looks like, and I'm going to try to take my time doing it, because I was just playing around with this last night to see what it looks like. And I'm going to be careful because I don't know, I know I put it in carefully, but I feel a little bit of catching on this thing. It's like grabbing my hair. Okay, there we go. Alright, so that's what I got. Now I don't know where this is going today, but I know I do have to take these out. Husband helped me prepare these pipe cleaners. He may be a bit disappointed because I don't know if I'm really going to use these on my locks. The results are really, really curly. And I don't know if that's what I really want, because he has kept asking me when I was going to use these since he helped me prepare them. And I'm going to link to that video as well in the cards. That took me about 4 minutes. This is what I have. This may be going back like this or something, because I can't see how this is going to fit into the rest of my hair. Notice I have banded my end. The bigger my braid is, the more likely that it will come out. And so I band my big plaits. I am trying to be more diligent in wearing my jewelry. I mentioned it in a previous video about wearing more jewelry, or wearing my jewelry that I do have. I will be wearing my jewelry every day, and some of the jewelry that I'm wearing may be featured in my Poshmark closet for sale. My Poshmark closet is Jean G 59. I'm going to place a link to my Poshmark closet in the description box, just in case anybody wants to join Poshmark, and you will be able to join and receive a discount on your first purchase. And even if that purchase is not from my closet. You guys, I have another pipe cleaner back here that I did not take out. Ugh. This one seems to be coming out easier. Okay. Great. All right. That one, yeah, I think I just made them too small. Put not enough locks in on each cleaner, on each pipe cleaner. That's all. I didn't put enough. I think I just need to put more on each pipe cleaner. So I'll try it again in a small spot before I decide to use it. But as I was saying, some of the jewelry that I'll be wearing will be featured in my Poshmark closet. Okay, I really like this. I don't like this. I'm gonna take this goodie clip. I'm gonna clip this hair back. Pull this down. Let me see what I look like in the back. I think I'm okay. So this is my hair for today. This jewelry today may or may not be featured in Poshmark. This is my first time wearing this. I wanted you to see that it goes up and down on the necklace. Okay, it's almost like a zipper. Not only that, this necklace also has a flip side, so I could wear this if I turned it over with some other earrings. The earrings that I'm wearing right now with this necklace, they're like little buttons. I want you to see that they look like they are clip-ons, but they have the, whatever this thing is called, the rod, that's what I'm going to call it. The rod that goes through my ear, through the piercing. And this earring actually has a necklace that goes with it. And it's this one that I've worn several times in my videos. And I just decided to feature this necklace today. Tell me what you think. That's a little extra to this video. I will see you later. Remember, this is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends. I love my family. I love my followers and my subscribers. But I especially love God because He's so good to me. He's been so good to me. Have a great day.